In this video, I'm going to demonstrate using the temporal capabilities of a GIS program to show how a geographic distribution has changed over time. The subject of this map is the deployment of production platforms in the Gulf of Mexico. This map runs from 1942 until 2020. Each type of platform is symbolized by a different icon as shown here. When a platform is deployed, it will appear on the map, and when it is decommissioned and removed, it will disappear from the map. Let's get started. In the 1940s and 1950s, most of the production activity was concentrated very close to shore in very shallow water. These numbers that will appear is the water depth at each location. These purple triangles are fixed platforms. All of these fixed platforms are in very shallow water. As time goes on, we're getting further out onto the shelf and even onto the apron. As we get into the late 1980s and early 1990s, observe how the different types of platforms come about. Here's a tension leg platform deployed in 1,760 feet of water. The pluses are floating production systems. The yellow triangles are spar systems. We're in the 2000s now, and keep an eye on the purple triangles. A lot of those platforms were decommissioned especially in the 2010s. This is how things stood at the end of 2020. I'm curious about these platforms very far from shore. Here is a floating production system in over 9,000 feet of water. These pluses are also floating production systems. A spar system here. In this video, we've seen a temporal animation in QGIS, and we've learned about how the distribution of production platforms in the Gulf has changed over time.